This is Kilembe Mines, and we are looking at a scene of utter devastation, destruction. The houses you see were nurses' quarters. I can't really tell what happened to the occupants. I know the river just came and swept them. They couldn't survive these big boulders from the mountain, which you can see in the background. And these are just the small mountain ranges. The real mountain is really big. We'll move in to see the raging river. This previously was an empty stream, a dry stream, just suddenly turned overnight into this raging river with enormous power. This was a hospital compound, and right now I don't even know how to describe it. Utter devastation for the families who lived here.
But I think it's not going to remain here permanent.
The river?
Yeah, the way I see.
There's still a lot of water coming through.
Because now there's no water in the main coast.
Yeah, you know, most likely it's still raining up in the mountain.
Yeah.
When the rain stops,
And they can see it's organizing to rain again.
yeah, let me see there. There are clouds up in the mountain, so we expect the rain to fall for another couple of days. So you're saying these stones were not here initially?
I'm telling you,
All these stones have just come, been brought by the river. And we said, you know, originally they are not smooth.
Originally,
they are very rough stones. Yeah. Clean compound.
Originally, this place was like here. And you wonder where this river got all these stones.